welcome to our video on availability emails. Do you have guests call you who are just shopping around for the best price and value? Availability emails provide a professional email to send to the guest to increase the chance of conversion. Simply go to the quote booking page, select quote, and select the categories the guests are interested in, and enter the guest name. If the guest has already stayed, you can simply select the guest. Otherwise, this is a great way to record new guest info for future marketing campaigns, as we now have a guest name, email, and, with caller ID, phone number. By having these three things, this will then unlock the availability email option. The availability email contact template will provide everything discussed on the previous page, like dates, occupants, and pricing, along with category images and descriptions, with a place booking button so guests simply click here for everything to pre-fill on the booking page. They then simply need to enter the credit card details to secure the booking. This link can even expire after a certain amount of days to add incentive to book quickly. If a guest calls back instead, all availability emails are stored in one central location, so staff can see pricing quoted and if there's still availability. Staff simply have to click one button to convert this into a booking. Easy. The availability email page is also a great way to follow up on any potential bookings that may be coming up. You can do this by bulk sending an availability follow-up email to remind guests that they were interested, or give these guests a call. If the guest has decided not to go ahead, you can expire this availability email and record why. This page will then help you record conversions and why you missed out on these bookings. For additional assistance in setting this feature up, or for any other FAQs on this feature, simply click the question mark icon on the top right to check our helpful knowledge base for detailed step-by-step guides.